Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Children, did you complete your drawing yesterday? Your worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Good afternoon. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Did you complete your worksheet yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Now what you will do is, did you share it on the class group also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now today we will do something very interesting. Now what is that? I'm just going to share it with you on the screen. Mute yourself, beta. You have done that chapter, Responsibilities of Good Citizen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Now see, I have a little worksheet for you, which is going to be very quick and interesting. So everybody take out your copies and see this screen share. Oh, it is not being seen.
No, ma'am.
See this?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, what I'll do is, children, I am stopping this screen share. I'm sending it to you on WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now from WhatsApp, you have to do it. Fourth A, right? Fourth A, where is fourth A? Okay. Here you have. See, there are questions which are not in the book. These questions will be answered according to your own competency level. Okay, what you think, what your mind says. You will not find the answers in the book of these questions. These are general questions. Like what a general question is, what would you do if some old lady falls before you, falls down? So what will your mind say? That we will help her out. We will try to lift her up, right? If an old lady falls down, what will you do? You will use what? Your competence. You will use your intelligence, that what can be done, how wisely, how nicely and kindly you can behave. Similarly, see, for example, the first question is, how would people behave if there was no civic sense in public? How would they behave? What is civic sense? Civic sense is having respect towards each other, obeying our duties, obeying our responsibly doing our responsibilities and duties.
Public places.
Yes, behaving nicely in the public. So the question is, how would people behave if there was no civic sense? If we wouldn't have any civic sense, how would we behave with each other? We would always be fighting with each other, isn't it? Yes, we would behave rudely with each other. So what is it? Write any 3 points. I have given you 2 points. We would behave rudely. We would fight with each other. Now third point, think by yourself. What will you do? We would throw garbage on the road.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we would not drive our vehicles properly. We would end up having accidents, isn't it? So
Yes, ma'am.
you only have to apply your intelligence to answer these kind of questions. Is it clear?
And we have to write questions also.
Yes, you have to write questions also. So it is going to be very interesting. You can add on something funny also, something humorous also. Okay? If I would have no civic sense, I would just go in public and push people. This is what I would do because I have no manners, I have no civic sense. Okay, so try to make your answers very interesting and nice. Will you be able to do it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Gauri, Manya, Parveer Singh, Aman, Arsalan, everybody has to answer. Okay, if I would
ma'am.
have no civic sense, I would eat a banana and throw the peel on my neighbor's house, in my neighbor's house. Okay, do it better. Start your work and we'll discuss it. You have 20 minutes to do
Ma'am,
this
where are the
exercise.
questions?
Yes, you have
Ma'am,
to
where
write the
are the
questions.
questions?
Yes, beta, you have to write the questions.
Ma'am, where are the questions?
Beta, on the class group, WhatsApp group, check your WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, we need to write in a fair.
Yes, beta, fair copy. What are these kind of questions called? These are competency based questions.
Ma'am, first which page we will done? First, which page we will do?
What beta?
Ma'am, which page we will done first?
Beta, the first one, see question number 1.
Ma'am, we have to write the questions also.
Yes, beta, you will write questions also.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Beta, I have shared a paper with you on WhatsApp group. It is a worksheet which has been shared on WhatsApp group. You have to do it in your copy.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Beta, we are doing the worksheet that has been shared with you on your class group. See on WhatsApp, it has been shared over there.
Ma'am, what we have to do in question 2 in the question answer?
In which question, beta?
Ma'am, question 2.
Question number 2. Okay, let me see. Question number 2. Can you list down 5 things each of public property and private property? Okay,
Ma'am,
means tell me any 5 things that come under private property. Personal
ma'am,
car,
like, ma'am, personal car, personal clothes, personal shoes, personal.
school bag. School bag is your personal property. Okay, nobody has the right on it.
Yes.
Your own house, outsiders, any common public, common people can't come and live in your house. Then your car, your vehicle, your cycle. Your mobile, isn't it? And what about public property? Neighborhood park, any park in the neighborhood.
Police station, park, hospital.
School, what? What did you say? School.
Yes, ma'am.
School is not a
Ma'am,
public
some
property.
school are
Okay, then no beta. See, for all the schools, you need to have registration first. A child, a student has to be enrolled in school. In any school, you can't just go and sit there like that. You need to have registration, no? So school will not come under public property. Then you can have railway, your buses, transport buses, government buses. This is public property. Parks, railway stations, wherein you can go and simply, nobody will stop you. Then old monuments, we all can go and visit.
ma'am, how we can do the third question?
Beta, third question. Okay, let's just discuss the third question. Do you just write it? What it is? What is the first picture of the
Ma'am,
third question?
voting machine.
Yes,
Voting
electronic voting machine. This is EVM. Then,
EVM.
what is the second picture?
Ma'am, people are
No.
adding paper.
No. What is the second picture? Just have a guess. Make a guess.
Ma'am, voting.
No,
Second
not
picture.
voting. Second picture is what? It's a box made. It is a box.
Yes, ma'am.
What box it is?
Voting box.
Secret. What was
Secret
that
box.
box we studied in the chapter? Now I have given you the first word hint also. It's a secret ballot.
Secret ballot. Ma'am,
Where
secret
is
ballot.
Yes, it's a secret ballot. Then the third one.
Ma'am, a mark on.
Yes.
voting.
So what is this? This is the voting symbol.
Well,
Yes, voting symbol. Down.
ma'am, secret ballot looks like a box.
Yes, it is a box.
Oh, ma'am, I think it's a different room.
No. Secret ballot is this box wherein you put your slip. You put your, a chit is given to you, you put in that.
Ma'am means write the name of the person that you are voting and put it in the box.
Yes, beta, when you'll come to vote, then you'll come to know what it is. I actually don't remember. I have voted, but it's a slip, and what is written on the slip? Some number or something is written. Because the party that you vote for, that you click on the machine, that is clicked on the machine, this electronic voting machine.
Ma'am, I've done all the question and answer.
What, beta?
Ma'am, I've done all the question and answer.
You have done true and false also and everything. Fill in the blanks also.
And where is true and false and fill in the blank?
Beta, there are 2 sheets I have shared. See on WhatsApp group. I have shared 2 sheets.
Ma'am, I see. Ma'am, I don't know the question two.
Ma'am, I can't understand the question for first statement. Excuse me, ma'am.
What, beta?
Ma'am, I can't understand the question for first statement.
Question 4th, first statement. Let me see what is the 4th. Okay, the cab. See, nowadays what do we travel on? We book the cabs, Ola cab and Uber cabs online, right? A cab is that. So the cab that you travel in is your personal property? Is your private property? No, it is public property. Okay, anybody can use that cab. Anybody can sit in that cab.
Ma'am, and we
Yes.
have to write the statement also.
Yes, beta, you have to write the statement also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what we call that symbol?
Which symbol?
Ma'am, ma'am, fourth question.
4th question.
Ma'am, I'm thinking,
Beta, which one? Tell me, read out the sentence.
ma'am, I thought, ma'am, the symbol that is make on finger.
Finger, that is voting symbol, beta. Voting. After you have given your vote, you have casted your vote, a symbol is made. This ink is put on your finger so that you cannot vote again. You cannot vote twice. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Voting symbol.
Means 5.
Ma'am, in fill in the blanks, can we write only answer?
What only answers?
I must be here and
Ma'am, in fill in
yes,
the
and
blanks,
that's
can we
that.
write only answer?
Better write the whole sentence.
And English. Paper. अरे अच्छा था ये. This of how the government of a country works.
Ma'am, in fill in the blank, second answer, can we write good and nice?
Ma'am, I was
What you have to write in second fill in the blank, beta?
And can we write good and nice?
Good and nice. Read out the whole sentence.
Okay, ma'am. We must behave dash and dash the neighbor. So can I write the answer good and nice?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I have done my work. Ma'am, I have done my work.
Very good.
Ma'am, do we have to send in the group?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
we must behave dash and dash with our neighbors. How should we behave? We must behave kindly and nicely.
Ma'am, I have done. Now I'm sending.
Okay, I have received Aradhya's work already. How would people behave? My neighbors would come and steal my what? Beta, steal my what?
Car.
Car. Okay. People will fight with each other. People will spit on Taj Mahal. Okay, good. Then private property, park. After park, what is written in public property?
Taxi.
Taxi, buildings, shops, and world.
World.
Oh, world. Instead, write railway station, bus station, buses,
Ma'am,
transport
world is
buses.
also for public only.
World is
That's why
also
I
for
thought I should
public.
write.
Okay, you want to say world is for public. Okay. Private, house, clothes, toys, books, cars. Fine. EVM, secret ballot, and voting symbol.
Voting symbol.
The cab that people commute in is private property. False. The cycle that you own is your private property. True. The swings in your nearby park are your personal property. False. The age 18. We must behave nicely and lovingly. Election teaches us no, not elections. What
Ma'am, I
teaches
didn't
us?
know about the third one.
Civics. Civics is a subject that teaches us. Beta, we learned civics teaches us how the government of a country works. Fine?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I thought all the questions are like from voting related, so that's why I write it
No,
election.
no, they are not voting related. See, you spoke about private property, personal property.
Ma'am, less than 1 minute is left.
Less than 1? No, beta, 2 minutes are left.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and also class is over.
Yes, the class is about to get over. You all have sent your worksheets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Akshaj, do one thing, beta. Please send me the PDF of Motions of the Earth chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Click pictures very clearly, okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, brief detail both.
Yes, beta, from the beginning till the end, all question answers, everything.